So, where are we going, Mushmai?
Lemok orthodonto. We are going to the orthodontist.
Yeah, so we're going to my orthodontist because they will adjust my brace or a nice smile, eh?
Like puppy, huh?
So, dito guys, in libre ang any dental procedure or treatment here, right, Mushmai? It's free. Dental procedures for children.
For children, everything is free.
Yeah, until 18 years old.
For the orthodontist, yeah.
For the orthodontist. Ah, okay. You should have met me when I was 15.
Sweetie, you know how it is. 18 is the allowed age for getting married, so.
So I actually have an underbite, if you will notice. So it's like this, and the orthodontist said that the normal bite should be like this. So sabi ng orthodontist ko is my upper teeth is trying to my upper teeth is naghahabol sa lower teeth ko to correct the bite, pero yung lower teeth ko naman forward, so naghahabulan sila, diba, ng papa nilang naglaro. So tinanong ko yung mama ko kung kailan niya na-notice na may underbite ako, pero sabi niya hindi niya daw maalala. So ang bite ko ngayon ay so forward like this. Sabi ng orthodontist, normal alignment daw ng teeth is dapat ganito. Tapos yung akin is nag-forward sila ng ganyan. So, kailangan daw ibalik nyo na paloob, and then kapag pantay na ang ngipin, then saka na ikagawin yung operation para makorek yung bite ko. And yan ang view dito sa labas. Medyo may ice pa ng konti, pero natutunaw na kasi lumabas ng araw. And that's my husband.
Your beloved husband, yeah.
It's really nice here in Slovenia, guys, because there are lots of trees around. Very green ang paligid. And also clean. So, on the way kami ngayon sa Ljubljana. And how far are we, Mushmai?
From the orthodontist, around 10 kilometers.
Look at the road, guys. They are so smooth, eh?
I would say so, yeah.
Yeah.
My mom are satisfied.
Oh, yeah. They retired early.
Yeah. Not early.
Is it around 40 something?
60.
Ah, they retired 60?
Yeah, my dad 60.
Okay. And how old are you planning to retire?
87.
Oh, Mushmai, when you retire, I will still be working.
Yes.
So you will be retiring alone, Danny.
Yeah.
We will just send you allowance as well.
Oh yeah.
I put them.
So guys, there are lots of trucks here.
That's his outskirts.
Kami na outskirts.
This is the suburb.
So, nung una dating ko dito guys, nashock ako kasi sobrang dami ng kotse. Almost every parking lot, walang space. Kasi, lahat yata ng Slovenians ay mayroong auto. And also, traffic. Sobrang liliit ng roads nila dito, pero traffic palagi. Especially sa cities. So, nakikita nyo yan? Sobrang dami, diba? 2 million lang population dito, pero sobrang dami ng sasakyan. Is it a castle, Mushmai, over there?
Yeah.
It's the famous castle in Ljubljana?
Yes.
Is it a hotel or just...
Oh, that's the real castle.
Remember when we watched 90 Days, they turned some castle into hotels.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, but here it's not allowed.
Depends. Of course, you can buy if it's on sale, but some they are state or municipality run.
Okay, so we arrived here in my orthodontist, but there's no parking lot, so my husband needs to look for parking.
I stay here because I cannot be.
Ah, yeah, Valido. Bye-bye. Yeah. So, yeah, my husband has a meeting, kaya ako lang mag-isang papasok. So, guys, yung opisina nila dito is hindi halata na mga opisina kasi nasa ordinary building lang. So, papasok muna ako. So, may meeting na si Mr. Kaya sa labas naman siya maghihintay, and ako dito muna ako sa loob kasi malamig din sa labas. Although, maaga pa ang schedule ko. Ito ang opisina ng orthodontist ko. Ito ang orthodontist ko ay private kasi sa public is matagal kang makuha ng orthodontist and matagal ka din maghihintay. Kaya masakit na masakit sa bulsa. By the way, nag-English pala ang orthodontist ko, kaya okay lang lang isa ko dito. Usually kasi pag hindi, eh, sasanghan ako ng mister. tayo parati. So, it's better.
A few moments later.
Nagpapis na rin. Saan tayo?
One eternity later.
So here, before it's only in the side, now it's in the front. But still nothing on top. So, what's the update
About what?
about your business trip?
Probably Clean Vice City. Still my boss.
Dari, dami lang.
Plan Vice City.
Ah? Bikin kita?
Jutri.
Jutri. Že?
Danes smo katerega? 14.
Ja.
23.
Ah, 23. Ako dugo?
Ne boš?
Ako dugo.
En teden.
Okay. So we're going home now and my husband's meeting is also finished. Sila dyan.
We need to catch my mom because she needs to go to the hairdresser later. We have
Okay,
family.
is she going every month?
Probably, yeah.
Is she going somewhere? Maybe she just wants to look good for your dad. Huh? I should also go to her hairdresser.
I'm telling you all the time. Cut.
Not to cut. My hair is not too long. Do you prefer straight or curly?
Mislim da ti bolj paša straight. Da ti bolj paše straight.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Didn't look good?
Sweetie, you look good, but like I said, maybe it's better straight. Also less work. Now you are mommy.
Mas proud. So we are almost home.
Koray.
Skoray. So that's our house sa pinakadulo. That's my mother-in-law's house. So like what I said guys, my orthodontist said that my teeth are so forward. So his plan is to put them back to their right position and then I will undergo jaw surgery to correct my bite. He said that the surgeon will reduce or babawasan yung pangabang tao sa part dito, chronically yung dito ko. And then, sabi niya na pwede naman daw kahit hindi ako mag-undergo ng surgery, braces lang, pero yung result is not what we are looking for. It won't be perfect daw. So, in-advise niya na gawin ko daw yung surgery para mas maganda yung outcome. I think I was already 1 week pregnant with baby Talo when I started the treatment. I wasn't sure by that time because I didn't do the pregnancy test, but I already felt something. He asked me if I was pregnant because mag-x-ray kami. Sabi ko hindi, pero hindi din ako sure. Anyway, ginawa pa rin namin yung x-ray and then the following weeks, it was confirmed that I was pregnant. So we made an appointment to the gynecologist and then I told her that I'm doing this orthodontic treatment. And then she said that I can go forward with it. Just need to be careful with infection because it's very dangerous. And then that's what also my orthodontist said, that we need to be careful with infection and also x-ray. It's really dangerous for babies, especially if they are not developed yet. And then he said that actually it can be my advantage that I'm pregnant because my teeth will move quickly than usual. So it's been a year since I started the treatment and recently lang niya nalagay lahat ng brackets and wires kasi mas inuna niyang pagalawin yung mga ngipin ko dito sa gilid and hatakin pa loob. Yung bracket and wires ko before is dito lang. So umuwi ako noon sa Pilipinas, yung braces ko dito lang and sa front wala pa. Right now, you can see braces now because nahatak na paloob. So that's why he already put the brackets and wires inside. Sabi niya, baka buti ng 3 to 4 years ang treatment including surgery and recovery. So, matagal-tagal pa to, but so far, may improvement na akong nakikita. Tinanong nga ako ng mother-in-law ko kung masaya naman ba ako dito sa procedure na ginagawa ko. And I can see the result and yeah, it's really going well. So yeah, I'm happy about it. I've been insecure with my teeth ever since I was young because for me it was unpleasant. I've never taken any photo showing my teeth kasi para sa akin ang pangit ng smile ko, so nahihiya ako palagi lang ganito. Even until now, hindi pa rin ako nagpapakita ng ngipin kasi hindi pa naman siya pantay and yeah, ganito pa. So right now, I'm slowly building up my confidence and kita nyo naman, nag-try ako nitong vlogging although di ko mapanindigan kasi sobrang busy. Kala mo naman, di ba? So yeah, and also with the help of my husband, palagi niyang binuboost yung confidence ko. So it's a big help and I'm looking forward for the future na finally makikita ko na yung hinahanap kong ngiti. So that's all for now. Bye! Adios!